This video is to show JavaScript that is being used. For me, it's being used as a double checker. So this is a bit of code that I wrote. I don't know JavaScript, but I do know how to prompt. And I included a digital signature, JAS, Digital Tools, which will be the new YouTube channel that I will be doing. But this script is to run through a bunch of numbers and look for discrepancies. So I would copy and paste column C, D, E, and F. I would paste it in and look for errors to prepare a report. And I would also use the amount of gallons that were pumped also as a way to double check. And then I also would cross-reference. Let's say this were to be AB. It's going to show the price of if 16.4 gallons was sold for $6.50. These are just ways to double check, but the JavaScript is going to do the job for me. So here we go. This is called verify fuel transaction, and take one. There's the gallons pumped per pump. Here we can see that's pump 3, that's pump 4, that's pump 2. Anyways, there it is summed. That's what the script does. It finds discrepancies. We see it a short of 2634. We see an overage of 7186. And my digital signature. I mean, this is ChatGPT. I don't know JavaScript, but I will know JavaScript thanks to ChatGPT.